Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it is your boy Chef Andre Davy, and today I will be using the skin of the pineapple, yes, the pineapple peeling, to make a refreshing juice for you guys. After today, you will never ever throw away your pineapple peelings again. So firstly guys, what you want to do, you want to wash your pineapple. Make sure that the skin is nice and clean. Then you want to go ahead and remove the skin from the pineapple. So now guys, what you want to do is to put your pineapple skin inside your sauce pot. And I have a piece of ginger here that I'm gonna crush and cut in smaller pieces. No need to cut the ginger in smaller pieces because you already crush it, but I like when my ginger is crushed. Somewhat I feel that I extract more of the flavor. So right here guys, I have 2 cups of water that I'm gonna pour directly over my pineapple peelings. So from there guys, what I want to do, I want to go ahead and put my pineapple peelings on the stove top to boil. And yes guys, I used room temperature water to start the process, because you don't want to use boiling water, because we want to extract as much of the pineapple flavor as possible. So now that my pineapple skin are boiling, I'm gonna turn off the fire and allow it to get cool. So after cooling guys, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and strain off the pineapple skin from the juice, because the juice is what we're gonna need, yeah, because we are making pineapple juice guys. So here I have 1 lemon that I'm gonna put inside. And you want to strain your lemons if they have seeds inside, yeah? And from there I will be using organic honey as my sweetener. I like to use honey because it's a lot more healthy. I'm gonna go ahead and stir. And yes guys, see? It's so simple. No need to throw away your pineapple peelings after today. The pineapple juice is ready guys. And this tastes just like using the inside of the fruit. Wow. Guys, look on it. The pineapple juice is ready guys. And thank you guys so much for always watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, share out my video if you can, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Let us enjoy some pineapple juice. So refreshing. Bye bye guys.